get it out of the wood, man. It's trapped in the wood. And I get to free it. I think we're gonna get some more chainsaw happening here. You gotta remember to pull back this baby and have a plan. A plan of what you're gonna do before you start this baby up. Otherwise, we could be talking death. Good art always involves danger. I've seen like piles of these down industrial areas, man. Piles of these out in the street. There's too many for the world.
Hey, is this your tag,
Man.
Alright, that's an A.
Look.
Yeah. A.
Sometimes I spray some that lubricant here. It's the stage where we pick out some of the detail. I'm a kangaroo. Fucking the wrong Farris dead, motherfucker, rocks!
What?
No, Rolf Harris is the reason I did anything.
Really?
The reason I get out of bed in the morning. Rolf fucking Harris!
Blood from a stone, life from a bone, silence from my phone. My cup is all blown, life fast is shown, the seeds are sown, the fruit has grown.